Do you have defects in your newly built or renovated home? Having defects issues about your house is very stressful and daunting. RC & Co lawyers, construction law experts, could help you sleep better at night by advocating your rights on these issues, and ways that you could avoid such issues and/or protect yourselves. If you are looking for a construction lawyer to handle your building and construction concerns, contact RC & Co lawyers. To get updated with our daily postings, follow and subscribe to all our social media platforms.